3D, stereoscopic editing is all the rage now as people start to shoot with either multiple cameras, and believe it or not, you can mount 2 flip cameras on a device, and as long as you're shooting 2 separate videos, 2 AVC HD videos, or some of the more professional videos like Panasonic has come out with actual 2 lenses inside them, that video comes into the computer as 2 separate files, usually 2 CF cards that come in. You label them left eye, right eye, and then through Cineform Neo, which is a 3D plugin, you get that installed in your computer. And what that does, it's really, really powerful. It does a couple things. First of all, there's a process called muxing. And muxing is when you take 2 things and you put them together. So the first thing it needs to do is you bring in 2 sources of video and you mux them together in stereoscopic space. When you're doing that, you get to choose the level of separation of the eyes, so you've got lots of control to test it out and view it before it actually gets output. The other thing that Neo can do, Cineform Neo, is that there's a full color engine inside there of color looks that you can apply. So you can completely transform this, make it look like the 3D Matrix or make it look like 3D Technicolor. So when you're done with that, the file that you export from Cineform actually goes right into the timeline inside Premiere Pro. But the real benefit is the connection back to Cineform. Let's say that you dropped your edits into Premiere Pro and you're editing in 3D, and you decide you needed to make a change back in Cineform. No problem. All you do is edit in Cineform and the update is right into the timeline. You don't have to wait and export another 3D file. The 2 programs are directly connected. Next up is viewing. You need to view this in a certain way. The simplest way is through anaglyph. Those are the multicolored glasses that you can get, the paper, sci-fi, 1950s 3D glasses. That stuff wears thin after a little bit of editing. The better solution is to use a proper monitor. Alienware actually makes a 3D monitor. Samsung makes them. I think they're anywhere from the $400 to $600 US range. Then you need a set of glasses. You can use the glasses like you use when you go to the theater, the real 3D glasses, the flat ones, kind of look like Ray-Bans. You can use those, or NVIDIA actually has an amazing solution. The NVIDIA card, it's a combination of the card and active glasses. That means they're powered glasses. So you are literally plugging in from the card into this little emitter, and the emitter is turning on and off parts of the glasses. So you're sitting in front of Premiere Pro, wearing the NVIDIA glasses, editing in a 3D monitor, even titles. So Premiere Pro titles, you can change the parallax and space of where they are in 3D, and you're editing and creating that right inside Premiere Pro CS5 with Cineform Neo.